Good morning. It's so freaking hot. It is so hot. We've got our waffles. This is a quick breakfast because I'm about to head out in like soon. So I need to eat something really quick. Good morning. We are prepping for New York City. New York. Oh, for like since we booked this ticket, since we booked this trip, I've been singing in New York, concrete jungle with dreams of men. I'm not a soprano, babes. Anyhow, we got 3 days to New York. Today on the agenda, getting my nails done. I was supposed to get my lashes done, right? I had my lash appointment booked. Could not book another appointment. My nail tech was booked until the end of the month. And I tried to book this appointment like three and a half weeks ago. She was booked until the end of June. So I booked my lash appointment for 1 o'clock today. And then the other day I got a text that said that she had a cancellation on Thursday at 1. And I'm like, if I have to choose nails or lashes for this trip, baby, I'm choosing my nails. So I messaged my friend. The girl that I'm going on the trip with is actually the girl that does my lashes. She's a lash tech. And I was like, I had to cancel because I had an appointment. I got an appointment to get my nails done. If I had to choose one, baby, I'm going to choose that. But let me know if there's any availability. But she ain't got no availability today. And this is my only day off. So we're getting nails done today. I'm singing this evening. If you don't know, your girl is officially an artiste. I'm an artist. I am a recording artist. I am a performing artist. And I got paid to perform. So I'm like really in this thing. Performing tonight at this rooftop bar. Performing my single. I'm performing with a couple of other artists that I met through Derek, who is the producer of my song. Don't get it twisted. I'm so addicted. I don't wanna do too much. I just wanna feel your touch. My friend, he did the visual as well. If you haven't seen the visual, I'm gonna link it. You should go watch it. They're having this nice little Derek G and Friends set this evening at this little rooftop bar. So we're gonna perform. Hopefully the weather doesn't decide to act up because it's been raining in Bermuda for 3 weeks. Like, it was given 40 days, 40 nights. Where's the arc? Like, I don't understand what's going on. It's nowhere here. Did we miss a memo? Because why is it raining so much? But anyway, that's neither here nor there. This isn't part of this vlog, but I just want to let you know that I'm an artist. I need to wash my makeup brushes. And pick up my outfits. Because I want to pick them up before I pack. I don't want to pick them up as I'm packing because then that's going to make me anxious. So yeah, I'm going to finish this. And then I'll talk to you guys when I'm continuing to prepare for this New York trip. We're going to New York. It's still not sunk in, baby. We're going to New York. New York City. NYC. Baby. Anyway, I'm gassed. I'm so gassed. I'm so excited to go to New York. This is my first time ever going. Anyway. Fuck you there. we going to New York. I know I said it early in this vlog, but I'm about to wake up tomorrow morning, go to the airport, get on a plane, and fly to New York City. You know what? If you know me, if you've been here for a while, if you know me, I be like, I was supposed to be born in New York. Like, I give off New York vibes. For the longest time, let me do my hair. For the longest time, whenever I would post content, people would think that I was from New York. You give off that New York vibe, like you got that New York style, like ESDs. It's just, you know what I'm saying? And so I'm just so excited to finally be able to experience New York City. Like, I don't know why this hair is doing that, like it's still red. Babe, I'm not gonna sing it again, but we going to New York. Oh my god, Times Square. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm nervous. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm nervous. But yeah, so I'm here with my friend Candia. And you know what's funny, like, we're not even that close. I've known her for probably like, what feels like probably like 6 or 7 years, but we're not even that close. But I feel like she's gonna be my travel buddy. You wanna go, where you trying to go, Atlanta? Oh, you wanna go Houston? Oh, you trying to take a trip to, I don't know where, Toronto? Oh, you wanna go, let's go. Like, I feel like she's gonna be my trip buddy. I'm excited. I think we're gonna have a great time. And yeah, so I don't know what I'm wearing to the airport, but you would think that the airport fish should have been sorted. I know what I'm wearing the lower half. My shoes and my shoes and my pants, but I don't know what I'm wearing up half. So we gotta figure that one out. So stay tuned for the New York vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was my first time editing like this, and this is like just the style of editing that I want to do moving forward. So look forward to more of this vibe in the New York vlog and in just subsequent videos from me. So if you like this, baby, subscribe. I'm coming back, and I'm coming back consistent. I haven't posted on her consistently since like genuinely probably a year ago, like around this time a year ago, before I graduated from, damn, it's been a year already since I graduated from school, before I graduated from university. Damn, that's crazy. So I'm coming back consistent with some vlogs. I'm just really trying to tap back into me and what really makes me happy, which is this platform. But anyway, I ain't about to bore you with any information like that. But yeah, I'm excited. We're going to New York City. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs it up, subscribe, all that beautiful stuff. And get ready for the New York content. Get ready for the New York vlog. I hope you're ready, because it's finna be lit.